So you're taking the hall.
3, 2, 1, go!
Jordan's in the back.
In the back.
Hey, good job, Craig.
You got him?
I got Derek on that over here. Rick, did you hit me, Rick?
Got you, yeah, I got you, brother. And wow, Rick. You just cleared out the whole
Rick, that's how you do it. Good job, Rick. Way to get me from behind.
Good job, Rick. Way to get me.
Okay, maybe that strategy wasn't the best.
10, 9, 8,
Yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! We're screwed. We are really screwed.
Back.
Oh, is that Derek? I hit you too.
You got me, you got me. You did?
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah, ran out of ammo. Had the corner, but I ran out.
Hey, who's over there?
I am.
Who's that, Sam? Oh, good. Got you, Rick.
Craig got me first.
Good. Got you, Dave. In your gun. Got you, Rick. Got you. Dang it. Come get. I got you, Tony. Fetch.
Tony?
Jordan.
I had no ammo. I was just sitting here.
You shot me first, Sam. I just got totally disoriented. Ran the wrong way.
Got you, Rick.
Man, I'm pretty.
That's a pin.
No,
Got you, Tony.
let's not. Yeah, let's
Got you,
call
Dave.
it a pin.
Way before you got me.
Let's call it a pin. No. Yeah. It's a pin.
You calling a pin or not?
That's kind of funny though.
I gotta keep playing till it's for sure. Jordan was out.
Rick.
I'm still feeling good about that one. Derek, I was sitting there with no ammo.
What?
I ran out.
Oh, you got one?
I had nothing.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! It's Tony. Tony's in the very back. Gotcha, Rick!
Oh, you were going right with me.
Great minds, guys.
That's your gun.
Nice. Watch out, somebody else is there.
Not right there.
No, I mean, Derek's right there.
I know, but I would have intended.
Crap. Nice shot. We're pinned. We're pinned.
Oh, great. Hurry.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Who's that?
Trevor.
Hey, you missed me, Trevor.
Now I got you.
Move, Rick.
Dang it. Push in the conference room! Dang it, watch your back!
That's gotta be intended.
You're right.
I'm so lucky you missed me on that crank.
How much time left? Anything?
No.